You want my number? You can't talk? Why? Is this a... Are you... Okay. Well, there you go. Oh.
Are you asking for my phone number?
Oh my gosh. Wait, why can't you speak? Okay, text me your name then. I don't know. What? My number? Where are you talking to? Oh my god, sorry. Hi. My phone number? Okay. Here you go.
What is this? What number?
What is this? What's your...
Dude, what? No.
What? You want my number? Okay. I put it in the thing. Okay, text me.
You can't talk? Why? Huh? You're crazy? You're funny. What are you doing? Do you want my phone number? There you go.
You want her number? She's pretty sexy, right? Shut up, Tyler. That was a really fast radio. What? Can I call your phone? Got my phone number? Okay.
My phone number? You want me to put my phone number in your phone? Why? You type it? You love me. What? I don't... Do you speak?
What'd you get? Here you go. I don't know what you want. Am I putting my number in here? Yeah.